guys, welcome to another episode of How to Do It with Chacha. Today we are doing our hair, so I'm going to be teaching you how to do your own hair yourself from scratch. A very simple high bond tutorial, you guys. So yes, I went in with a water in a spray bottle to spray my hair. The reason is because I want this to be really moisturized, hydrated, not dry. So you want to do this so that your hair is not so dry. This will help you to achieve the result that we're going for. Just ensure that your edges everywhere is moisturized. You don't want to drench yourself in water, but you want to moisturize it just a little bit, the way that I'm doing like this. So on this day I'm filming live, and of course I'm recording, so yeah. So this is the spray bottle, very water, that's all that is in it. Then I went in and of course used a brush. You can use any comb of choice. Here I'm using my hair brush, like my extension brush, to go over my hair to achieve a very laid down slicked look. So that's what I'm doing right now. So yeah, I went in with a smaller comb as well to further achieve a flatter finish. So yes, just make do with what you have basically. And I went in with a rubber band. I'm supposed to use black but for the absence of black, I'm using this colored one. Black would have been a perfect choice. So yeah, then I went in to bring out some what I call baby hair, something that we do with our frontals. Yes, just hold your hair a bit firm like this and then bring out small hair like that, exactly. So yes, then I went in with a brush. You want all the slickiness and all the flatness, so you want to ensure that use all the tools that are available at your disposal. So yes, I went in right now to grip my hair with this rubber band. Yes, firmly grip it, not too tight. You don't want to have a headache, but firm enough. You don't want it too loose as well. So you see, I think I went like 5 times with this rubber band. I don't know exactly. So yeah, the reason I brought out those baby hair that you're seeing is so that I could actually make a baby hair edge control kind of thing. Yeah, I went in with an edge control. This one has a white cast, so I did a little amount of it. The reason is because I want it to be slicked down. Yeah, I don't want to just go in with a gel. So yes, so a little product is what I use here. You can decide to use more if you want to, so but I will not advise that, to be very honest. So just a little. You see, this is what I'm going to do later. So then I went now with my gel. This is a black gel, your normal regular black gel. You can get it from anywhere. So yes, and the reason why I'm using this black again is so that this can help to cancel out any white cast that edge control might have contributed or something. Yeah. So again, this one too, small quantity, like a little, very little. Now this is the style of the show. This is the weave I'm going to be using for this look. Now this is a used extension. This is a weave I used for one of my hairstyles and I did not trash it, so I just took it out and combed it to see how rough it is. Then I did this thing here. Sometimes when you buy all this extension, this is how you see it in the pack. So you just divide it into 2 basically, and now insert it into your hair just the way that I am doing. Very simple, very straight to the point, very easy. So you see the way that I'm doing. Yes, look at it. Okay, so just firm it again with your natural hair. This is what is going to form your bun, and you're going to see how we're going to do that from here. All right, very easy. Then I just divided the hair into 2 and began to make a twist. See the way that I slowly showed you, just like this. A twist, not a perfect twist, just ensure that you are able to go from left to right. So fun fact, this is the first time I'm trying this hair, so I filmed it because I knew that I was going to get it anyways. Matter of fact, okay, so I used to make hair. I have a basic knowledge of hair, so I think that's like a plus for me. But I think it's something that anybody can do if you follow this step by step tutorial here. So yes, you don't want to leave the hair so that it's not loose. You want a firm grip like this. Look at the way it's gripped, this firm. Yeah, so I decided to fast forward it a bit so that I don't know about you guys. Yep. Yeah, nothing serious, just about it. You have to just twist it all the way down. Yes, all the way. Okay. Yeah, my husband is a paid actor in this video, I know. Alright, so now next off, you're going to now see the way that I twisted it down. Yep. So you're going to now like do it like this, like curl it like this, the way that I'm doing firm. You have to hold it, if not it's just going to, you know, bounce like that. So hold it to achieve a firm grip so that it's not moving up and down. Exactly. And then when you have this firm grip right here, right like this, then you can leave it and begin to, you know, roll it until the final strand is done. You guys, it's just as simple as it looks on camera. It's very straight to the point. This kind of hair, you can actually do it on a Sunday morning. You can do it on the day you want to go out. You can do it immediately. You know, this will save you frequent salon visit. You can always do this every week because this hair is not something that you carry for long. You can just carry it like a couple of days, probably 3 to 7 days, you know, and you want to make sure that it's fresh every time. So you can always do this by yourself every time. See, you remember we used an extension that we've used before. So guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel at this point, please do so. All right, if you have not commented on this video, please, now is the time. So I went ahead to do my baby hair. You see what I did with my hair right there, those ones that I brought out. This is the reason I brought it out, because this will kind of add definition to whatever it is that we're doing and make everything look up together, very fine, very chic, very you know, everything sweet, fresh and beautiful. So yeah guys, comment below if you're going to be trying this. If you're going to be trying it, let me know. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you've not liked this video, please do so. Thank you guys again for always tuning into my channel, and I hope that you are learning 1 or 2 things from me, and I hope that I'm worth your while. I'm worth every time and data that you spend on me. So yeah, I'm going to be bringing you hair tutorials from time to time, and always whatever I do on my own, I will share it to you guys here, and you can try and see how it goes. So yes, I really love this hairstyle. This is very soft, chic, and of course elegant, fresh, I must say. So yeah, I just went ahead to just check, you know, if there's any finishes that I need to do here. So I realized the final band I did not like go down, so I just brought it down a little bit to put it into the hair. So yep, that's about it for this hair. And you guys, so yeah, you see, very straight to the point. I don't think that this video needs so much talking, as you can see. So just check out, you know, areas that you need to fix. If there are like flying strands here and there, you just take it down with your edge control, and of course your hair, your gel as well. So that's just about it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always sticking to me. So for this particular video, I just went ahead and, you know, moisturized my lip. I did not yeah, I went ahead to moisturize my, I don't know why this phone is hanging at this point. So I went ahead and moisturized my lip with a lip balm, and you can actually go out like this if you want to. This are already like your face is already lifted, elevated. So yeah, see the way that I'm looking, very sumptuous. So I just do your regular lip balm and you are good to go. But you see, this particular day I put on some makeup. I did, like, I slayed the look, you guys. Now look at that. Yeah, you see, I told you guys. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I did this makeup from start to finish in my next video. Please do feel free to subscribe to my channel if you have not. I'll see you in my next. Bye.